Hey Lux Babes, it's your girl Gabriella and welcome back to my channel. And before I get into the video, please do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you to those who have already done so. And yes, in today's video, I am going to be creating my body butter. I will also be leaving a link down to the YouTuber who helped me to create this formula. All I did was just tweak a few things to just make it more to my liking. But I'm actually really excited because this is the first time that I've actually gotten a consistency that I like, and I just love how it feels in my skin. Because I know the first time I made body butters, it did not go well because I just threw things into a bowl and just tried to mix it like that. But you really want to make sure that your formula is done correctly. And as you can see, I have my formula right next to me. I just love how it doesn't really sit on the skin. It's not too oily. My skin really feels moisturized, and I'm just really excited about this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. So when I created this body butter, I had myself in mind because I do have a lot of stretch marks, and I really just wanted to aid my skin as I lost weight and improve its elasticity and just help my skin to become more firm, and just wanted to add a lot of different butters and oils so I can reap all the benefits of them. So it also helps with dry skin and things like eczema. So these are what my body butter is targeting. Remember that you are the star here. You can decide what you want in your body butter. You don't have to do it the same as me. Also, the ingredients you'll be using will also determine the type of benefits your customer will have when they use your body butter. So, you know, even when it comes to the consistency, if you want your body butters to be more hard, you will use more butters, and if you want them to be more creamy, you would use more oil. So as you can see here, I am melting the butters and oils together with the BTMS 50, and I just want to make sure that I'm not overheating. I'm using low heat, and you'll be seeing me bring out my thermometer because I know that BTMS 50 has a melting point of 140 degrees. So I'm waiting for it to reach that temperature. I don't want it to go over like 200 degrees, or, you know, to the point where I feel like it's getting too hot where things might start boiling. I'm also using a glass stirring rod to just, you know, mix everything around. I'll put the link down for that as well down below. And once I'm done melting, I'll pop this into the freezer. Right here, I thought it was cold enough, but I found myself mixing, so I eventually had to pop it back into the freezer and let it cool down some more, and then I was able to get that whipped consistency that I was looking for. So Lux Babes, this moment right here is when I was like, okay, I got it right. I was so happy because I was really getting concerned. I was getting worried. I'm like, why is it not fluffing up, and why is it not, like, you know, looking right? But just remember to trust the process, and even though you may not get it right the first time, you will get it eventually. So do not give up, just keep trying. So right here I'm adding my preservative, in case any water gets into the body butter, you don't want any bacteria growing. And I'll also be adding in my flavoring oil and some rose extract. You can add whatever you want, and also some arrowroot powder just to decrease any oiliness when the body butter is applied. I also recommend investing in a stand mixer so that you can do other things while the body butter is mixing. So this to me was the most satisfying thing that I've done in a very, very long time. Using the press and seal just makes everything so much easier. And I got these piping bags and the tips from Webstaurant store. These have plastic lined inside so that if there is a mess, they're easy to wash and easy to clean. I just love this body butter because it smells just like chocolate, and as you can see, I added some glitter and I made it like a little ombre effect, and I just love it. I still need work with like the piping, but for the most part, I just love this whole process, and I can't wait to actually start making these body butters for my business. If you have any questions for me, you can leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer them all. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.